Remote code execution or file upload via Webshell allows attackers to execute random commands and get unauthorized access to sensitive data. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will see this vulnerability and safeguards against it. Let's get started. Go to Website Security Lab and it says this lab contains a vulnerable image upload function, and to solve, upload a basic PHP web shell. Path of the file is home Carlos secret and the credentials are Wiener Peter. First thing first, to create PHP web shell, open text document and write single line code with the file path of Carlos as mentioned in the lab. Control S and close, rename it to shell.php and save it. Tap on yes and we are ready to go. Minimize it, get back to challenge page and tap on assess the lab. Now it's a blog page, tap on my account and enter the given credentials, that is Wiener Peter, and click on login. Now click on choose file and upload the created shell.php. Click on upload. The file has been successfully uploaded. Click on back to my account. Right click on file and open image in a new tab. Go to the tab, copy the flag, get back to challenge page, submit solution, paste the flag, click on OK, and it's done. Congratulations, you solved the lab. This is how bad actors can upload any malicious code into the vulnerable website. To safeguard against this vulnerability, validate the file types to only allow images, implement input sanitization to prevent injection attacks, and set file size limits. Thanks for watching.